Okay, we're back. It's been about 90 minutes. As you can see, the lasagna, as we have a little two-man show with my son, is ready. It's delicious. Looks delicious. It's awesome. Got some breadcrumbs on top. I got some fresh parsley that I'm going to chop up now that we're going to put on top. We're going to cut this bad boy open and let you guys see how delicious this is. And please, by all means, make sure you hit the like button below this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support. And also, let us know what you like best about the videos and the cooking shows. Let us know what you like best about them. Spread the word about George's live cooking shows that we do every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we take traditional animal-based, quote-unquote, meals and turn them into, as we say, plant-based meals. So we're just kind of cutting this up. Kind of nice like. We're going to take this and this should serve probably, 8 to 10 servings easy. I mean, you can go bigger. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to take the one out of the middle, I think. Take the one out of the middle. There we go. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Are you being difficult, huh? Okay. It's going to give me a hard time, I see, huh? All right, so we got that's some of the right there. That's some of the ooh, that's delicious looking. That's some of the eggplant. This piece here supposed to belong to that. I don't know why he acting like he don't want to get out. Like, get out of there. Trying to get it. See, I know what this is. Every time you do a cooking show, they don't want to act right. But that's okay. We ain't studying. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little, there you go. Bam, bam, bam. That's good right there, right there. So there you go. There you have it, guys. As you can see, this is the vegan, that's the best vegan lasagna on the planet. We got to go ahead and taste it. Oh, I got to get a picture of that, don't I? Don't I, do?
All right. I can take it for you.
Yeah. Yeah, snap. Go ahead and snap that picture there. Okay, you standing in front of the light. Stand back where you were, right here. Don't bump the camera. That's going to look good. You get a good video. I can't see it, sir. Turn it so I can see it. Yeah, there we go. All right, so there we go. So now, next thing we got to do now is sample it, right?
Sure do.
So, here we go, y'all. Here we go.
Hard stuff.
That's what happened. You drop some up there.
Good?
Woo-wee. That's good. Tastes like it got sausage in it. The best thing, this would really set great if you let it rest a little longer. Let it sit and it will set nice. This is good. This is real good. This is banging. Yeah. Yep. No more phone call. They do have winner. Hold on. I'm gonna let my son. I'm gonna taste a little bit before we let y'all go.
Kind of full, but I'll taste a little bit.
Okay, wait a minute.
Minus the eggplant.
Could you stop being the putz? He's being the putz live, guys. It's unbelievable. Just could you try that right there? Tell me what you like best about it.
Okay.
Okay, you get back in. There you go. Take it back over there. The attaboy. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Yeah. Man, home run. Touchdown. Bikino.
Bingo.
Bingo. All right, guys. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button below this video. Share. Subscribe. Inquire about how you can grab a hold of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce and also our all-purpose rub. Let us know what you like best about this video and all of our future videos to come. Share the word. You guys are awesome. God bless. Until next time, guys. You guys are awesome. Fired up.